I know what just happened. I know you've been battling. I know you've been fighting for your power, because they want what you have. And more seriously, because you are here to create a new earth of love, light, and truth. Nobody does agree with this. Not everybody is happy with this. You're so precious. You're fighting for your divine mission. This is the truth. You are a legend. You're just the best. No one on this planet is doing what you're doing right now. You're fighting for love. You're fighting for the truth, the wisdom, ancient knowledge, ancient future. You're such a real soul. You may think you're lonely on your path. Nobody is watching you. I feel you, because I'm vibrating on the same frequency that you are. I know what I'm doing. Therefore, I know what you're doing. And I know that if you found this video, you certainly vibrate my caliber. And I love you for that. You're just a superstar. You're just the real deal. You've been invoking the right people. You might work with Kalima, Sekhmet, Isis, Hathors. You might work with Ganesha, Garuda, Shiva. You might work with Thor, Pallas Athena, Medusa, Hecate. You're literally anchoring 3-3 on the timer. I cannot make this up. You're manifesting this new earth. And Mother Earth is so grateful to a point that you have no idea. I talk to her. She talks to me. We are here to raise our vibration, raise our Kundalini, Mother Cobra, to help her, Mother Earth, ultimately raise her own Kundalini through you. She is able to heal. Nobody is going to heal Mother Earth. Nobody is going to heal you. You are a divine technology. Mother Earth is a divine technology. She's a living being. And she has the capacity, like you are, capable to heal yourself when you're tuned into the right frequency. When the cobra is rising up to your spine, is burning your traumas stored in your hips, in your sacral chakra. You have the capacity to heal yourself, transmute the emotions stored in your fascia. All of your tissues contain your trapped emotions. And we are here on this channel to help you. We are a beautiful community of love, And I can see through your comments how dedicated you are. Big up to all of you that are really doing the work. I see you, I honor you, I admire you. You should be so proud because I know what you're going through. There is no way back, and you know that when you took the red pill, you cannot unseen what you saw. You have to progress toward the top of the pyramid where you remember fully who you are. And we are here, all pieces of the puzzle as chosen, as illuminated one. We have the light, we carry the divine royal bloodline, we carry the light. Ari nga atsai kei You're allowing the sacred wisdom to spread itself all around Mother Earth. You are allowing the great crystal of Atlantis to expand its light, therefore illuminate Mother Earth, to irradiate every single soul with the highest light, transmute any darkness in the highest light, to anchor this new earth. You are an antenna. You're so protected. It's been a while. For those of you that are not new, welcome to everybody that is new. Thank you for being here. Subscribe for real healing. Check my website. Oh my God. Check my website for real ascension codes, real healing, the real journey to awaken your soul to who you truly are. Take your power back. We got the Star, friends, and this is my all-time favorite tarot deck. It's been a while and I've been very urged to use it today. Starting with the Star, and that's the truth. Oh my God. I told you, your star. Love is in the air. The next new moon, and the next new moon, for some reason, the next full moon, it's very significant. The last new moon was extremely potent. Somebody is leaving something behind to go to the Nine of Cups. You're just going for it right now, and it's going to pay off, let me tell you that. You're breaking the generational curse. This tarot deck, I'm praying for you to feel the energy of it, because it's just different. I got that one that was already, oh my God, I got the 10 of Cups here, guy. I'm telling you, the choice you made is leading you. I might talk to a high priestess, high priest. The door of heaven are open. I love you. And until next time, namaste.